Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making pesto pasta for dinner, and so I wanted to share with you how I make my homemade pesto sauce. It's pretty generic like most of them. I only have one secret ingredient I'll share with you. First, this is the basil that I went out and picked from the garden, or trimmed and cut from the garden. It's about maybe a little more than 2 cups worth. I like my pesto to be real pesto-y, or basil-y, I should say. Here is a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. This was all the pine nuts I had left. It is close to a 1/2 cup, but again, since it's all I had, that's what we'll be using. And here's 3 cloves of garlic, and then extra virgin olive oil. I use the organics. And then my secret ingredient right here is Tumi seasoning. It is amazing, and I use it on everything. Okay, so first things first, we always love our fun little gadgets in the kitchen. So I'm going to put my garlic cloves in there. I'm going to move these out of the way, and I'm going to press down and roll. Whoops, and not allow one to escape the side. Okay, and then we'll dump those out, and they're peeled. Okay, just like that. They're all peeled. I love this. I love this thing. You can get generic ones. Actually, you can get generic ones at like the dollar store, I believe. I believe that I got mine from, I think it was, so anyway, here we go. I'm going to do it in my Ninja. And so there's my 3 cloves of garlic, my almost 1/2 cup of pine nuts. I might have to do this in sections, but so there's my basil. Here is my Parmesan. And there goes my swamp cooler. It's pretty hot today. Let me find my big, my small measuring cup. So I have to use this big monstrous one. We're gonna pour a liquid measurement of 1/2 cup of olive oil and pour that in. Blade on. I know that I haven't added the Tumi seasoning yet, and that's okay. We'll get to that in a minute. Clear off this and move this thing forward, and I'll have to silence the video and the editing. So bear with me. Okay, I'm going to take that off real quick. As you can see, some of it hasn't been mixed in, and that's fine. I'm just going to scrape the edges of this real quick. And then we are going to shake some of our seasoning in. Just a little bit more olive oil, which is the last of this bottle. I'm only doing this because I'd like to use up the basil that I have on hand, and it's going to be too much without a little bit more. So as you can see, there's still stems. I just grind it all up. It's all good. Besides the fact that in most vegetable and herb, a lot of the nutrients come from the stems, so we don't waste them. All right. I'm just going to take my rubber spatula and get as much out of here as I possibly can. And don't let any of this go to waste. Okay, there you have it.